Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. This time it is about this Samsung WindFree 5-in-1 convertible 1-ton 3-star inverter AC that I have installed in my room where I record videos for YouTube. So when I started my search, my topmost priority was silent operation. I'm really impressed with this one. So that's the reason that I have decided to make this video. So I believe that if you have similar needs, then this video is going to help you. And if it does, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. So let's get started. Since my topmost priority was silent operation, I started looking for ACs with the lowest noise and I ended up with two brands. One is LG and the other one is Samsung. But when I came to know about this WindFree technology from Samsung, I was really curious. So to know it more, I visited one Chroma store near me and I found that it is actually quite effective in reducing the noise. At the moment you can see that this AC is on in WindFree mode because the wind flow is from the these 24,000 micro holes. The flap is actually closed and this way it reduces the noise. Actually, I'll show you the difference. If the flap is on, the noise is actually quite significant, but if it is closed in WindFree mode, you can see that it has really silent operation. So this is what impressed me and I decided to go for this one. Otherwise, other things are quite similar to other ACs that you get from other good brands. Like smart things are there. It is having Wi-Fi connectivity, so you have the voice command. You can also use your smartphone to control the AC if you want to do it. Yeah, and other things like 100% copper condenser, 3300 watts cooling capacity, and the area coverage is 130 square feet. And the warranty periods, these are also quite similar if you compare with other brands. Now let me show you the difference between the WindFree mode and the normal mode. At the moment it is running in WindFree mode. You can see that this flap is actually closed and the airflow is coming out from these 24,000 micro holes. Now if you hear, the noise is there in the background, but it is quite low. Yeah, it is quite silent, I would say. If you use earphones, then you can see the difference better. Okay, you can hear the difference. Now let me switch to normal mode. This is the remote and this is the button. Okay, now I have actually turned off the WindFree mode. Now you can see that this flap is opening and the noise is quite significant. Yeah, now you can hear that the noise in the background has increased significantly. Here is one sample using phone's inbuilt mic. I'm not using the external mic now. Now you can see that it is still in WindFree mode and try to see the difference now. Okay, I'm switching off this WindFree. Yeah, now let's increase the fan speed. Yeah, now this is the maximum noise. Okay, yeah, and I'm holding this phone very close to this AC. So normally we won't be doing this, but to show you the difference, I'm doing this. Now let's turn on the WindFree mode again. Yes. You just have to wait for a few seconds because the main fan it goes off. Okay, after that. So you can see that it is quite silent, right? So if you are using this AC in normal mode, this is the noise that you get, okay, in normal mode. So officially they have mentioned the indoor unit maximum noise is 40 dB and outdoor noise is 49 dB. But if you switch to this WindFree mode, the noise is actually quite low. it is quite silent. And this is the reason that I have bought this one, because I make YouTube videos, and nowadays it is quite hot. Yeah, without AC is actually it is not possible. And if you use fan, then you have to work hard to reduce the noise in the background. Yeah, so I believe that this can be a really good option if your topmost priority is silent operation. Yeah, and I believe that this video is going to help you if you are in need of this. Okay, so I believe it has helped, and if it has, do let me know in the comments. And if you end up liking my videos, do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Cheers guys.